If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm AutoCAD faculty of NGCC Software Technologies. So today in this video we are going to learn about work sharing and work set, where in the work sharing architecture, structure, electrical, plumbing, mechanical work can be done in a single file by a number of persons. Here structure MEP work can be done by different persons on different files and it can be shared as a single file. So how it can be done, the work sharing, or which is called as clouding or computing, or even the collaboration project. So here is a main file. One should create a main file which is called a centralized file, and the other files will be the local files which will be provide to the architecture, structure engineer, or construction manager, MEP worker differently, and then they work on that file separately, and then they just synchronize that file, so that after the synchronization the work whatever they did in their files will be updated automatically in the central file. So I hope at the end you will be able to get the idea about the topic. And then after that, after all the architecture, structure engineer, construction manager, all after doing their work, when the synchronization done, final clashes will be checked. So now we are here in the Revit. I'm going to open this project, upon which we are going to learn about network sharing and work set. So here I opened a project. So this project I'm going to centralize. Here. So to do centralization, to do work sharing, we have to go to collaboration menu, go to collaborate, and here go to work set. As there is by default already one work set is present, that is shared levels and grids. So here I'm going to give it a name like PTS. So here okay, and now this is like centralizing. So okay here. So here is the active work set, which is PTS here. So now I'm just closing this file. This is, so here is the message that this is the first time that the project has been saved since work sharing was enabled. So yes, and now here go to the place where this project is saved. So here I'm going to this project. So in this, this is our project. So I'm going to copy this, and then right click. I'm going to create a new folder here. So giving this one name as file 1. I'll just give it a file 1, and now in this I'm going to paste that file here. Now this is done, and then again I'm going back and creating one more folder, that is file 2, giving it a name file 2, and here in this folder file 2 I'm going to copy again that project. So here is the two folders which we have created with the same file, the centralized file. And now in this, go to that file 1, and here in this I'm opening this project, file 1 project, and this centralized model has been copied. I'm in the place from where we copied this file. So close this, and here in this file I'm going to do some changes, like I'm going to color it. Let's just say So here to this house I give a color, and now I'm going to save it, Control S, and then after saving it go to again collaborate, and here you have to synchronize this. So synchronize now, click on synchronize now, and then close this file. Keep ownership of elements and work set. Okay, so now here we have been done, and now again I am going to this files, and here if I open the project file, in the file 1 folder it is this with color. And now if I go to folder 2, here I am opening the file 2, and here opening the project. So this is the first time that we are opening the file, that's why again this message, as we are opening it for the first time, the file 2 project. And now have changed that some editable elements have changed in the central model. You cannot change this element until you reload the latest element from the central model. So close, as it gives a message to the folder 2, that file 2 folder project, that some changes have been done, but you can't access that changes. So that's the reason that in the file 2, in the file 2 project we there is no changes, because this is a local file, not a centralized file. So now we are going to a centralized file there. As I said you, due to the work sharing, the file automatically get updated wherever it is updated. So here I am going to that project. The centralized file is this, and now I am opening this. So here cannot open the local model and the central model in the same Revit session, so we should have to first close this. And now here again going here, and then now opening the project, the centralized project, and here the whatever the changes we did in the file 1, it is changed in this file. And now from here, as you are able to see that the changes, the updates, the file get updated automatically. So like that the work sharing is taken place. So wherever the user is, wherever the work is going, wherever the work is going to be done, it is just get updated automatically in the centralized file. So here again I am closing this, and again going here, and now I am going to do some changes in the folder 2, I mean file 2 project. And here let's just say, so here in this I am going to do, what I can do is, here I just wanna place some plants or anything here. I just go to generic model, let's just see what is there. So here I'm going to place a plant. So here I placed some plants, and now I am again going to save it, Control S, and then after saving it go to collaborate, and here go to synchronize with central, synchronize now. So here we did the changes, and after synchronization, whatever the changes we did in the folder 1 is automatically get updated here. So now I'm closing this, keep ownership of elements, and now I'm going to open the file of project file of folder 1. Let's just see the changes in the file 1 happens or not. So here there is no plants, as I said you that whatever the changes taking place in the local files will not get updated automatically in the local other local files, but instead it get automatically updated in the centralized file. So let's just go to centralized file. Here is the centralized file, and this is the updates. So here we have been done with the work sharing, and now let's just start with work set. So what is work set basically is whatever working in layers in AutoCAD, that's how the work set is here in the Revit. So work set is same as the layers in AutoCAD, and here how it will work is go to collaborate and work set. Here click on new, and here I'm creating a layer, that means a work set, which I'm going to name as wall, and then okay, again go to new, and here I'm going to give it a name as planting, and one more will be structure. Like that you can create whatever the layers or work set you want, that means structure, MEP, plumbing, electrical, that's how. So here okay, and then okay. So here structure is the active work set. Now I'm going to select all the structured things like columns and flooring, slabs, all structural items I'm going to select here. So here all the things are selected, and now I'm going to change it. Here is the work set is PTS, but we have been selected with the structure part, so I change it to structure, apply. Now this all will come under structure, and here I think structure is off. So this is the structure thing, and now I'm going to select all the walls. So here I have been selected all the walls, and now I am going to change its work set from PTS to wall, apply. So now again now plants, change the work set, and now here I'm going to, here there is no changes, but now I'm going to collaborate and then work set here. So here if visible in all views, if I'm going to off this like planting, I'm going to off, okay. So here the plants will hide. So that's how same as similar to layers, it will work also like layers. So that's how we have been done with the work set and work sharing. If you want to discard the work sharing or work set, no, close this file, go to file, and here project, and then whatever the project you want to discard, select that file, and here detach from central. So detach from central and then open. So detach and if you want to discard it, so then open a file, and here go to file, project, whatever the project it is. Wherever that file is, go to that place, and here this is that project, centralized project, and here detach from central, open, detach and discard the work set. And now go to collaborate and go to work set. See here, there is no any work set here, so that's how you can even discard the changes of work sharing and work set. Thank you for watching.